Welcome to the video. Welcome to the channel. My name is Rory. Today we're going to make a rotating barrel text just like you saw in the intro. So let's not waste any time chit-chatting. Let's get to it. We're going to go to the Fusion page. We're going to click our text node. That's going to give us our text and a media out. We're going to disconnect that for right now. We're going to add a merge node to the text. That's this right here. That's your merge node. If you highlight this, click that, it connects automatically. For our text, we're going to write 3D rotating text, like so. We're going to pull that up into here so we can see it. We're going to click our text. We're going to bump that up to almost the whole screen, like so. Now what we want to do is we want to make a copy of these two. We're going to highlight them. Control C, double click here so nothing's highlighted. Control V. And now you can see, if we click there, it says rotating text. We click this one, it says rotating text. So we have our copy. We're going to connect this to here like so. We're going to click on this one. We're going to go here to our Y value. We got to pull that up in there so we can see it. We're going to go to our Y value and bring that text down like so. Then we're going to add our shape, so we highlight our merge node. This is our shape icon. We're going to connect that. We're going to go up here to shape, change it to cylinder. We're going to pull that up in there so we can see it. Now if you notice here, it's not a perfectly round. We got that bend in there. So your base subdivisions, we're going to change that from 20 to 60 like so, and that kind of rounds it out a little better. Now, anything 3D, you always have to have a render node. So we're going to add we're going to highlight our shape. We're going to add our render 3D, and we're going to connect that to our media out. We're going to pull our media out up into the viewer. We're going to go back and click on our shape 3D, and I'm going to drag this down here a little. We got a little, there, let's do this. We only need a single viewer from this point on. We're going to click on our shape 3D. We're going to go to transform, scale. We're going to bring that down a little. And then our y-axis here is what's going to rotate that. So we're going to bring our playhead to the beginning. I'm going to double click the Y to set it back to 0. We're going to set a keyframe. We're going to bring our playhead to the end. We're going to type in 360, get a full rotation. We can click on text again, change the color to green. Change this one to whatever color you want. I'll make it red, like so. We'll jump into our edit page. We will rewind. We'll hit the play button. And there you go. You have a rotating barrel text. Now what you could do, you could copy these again and paste, and you could have a third one. But we're not going to do that. You get the idea. Pretty simple. Now I got a little bonus for you guys. We're going to highlight all of this. We're going to hit backspace and get rid of it. We're going to jump back into the edit page. We don't need this fusion composition. We're going to get rid of that. I'm going to drag in this video here of these coffee beans. I'm going to drag it up. We're going to click on effects. We're going to click titles, and we're going to bring in a Text plus. We're going to type coffee. And we're going to change that to something big like impact. That'll work. We're gonna hide this track by clicking here so we can see what we're doing. I'm gonna bump this up to about so. We're gonna re-enable this track. We're gonna highlight this track. Composite mode, we're gonna go to darken. Now you have your see-through. Just a little bonus for you guys. I'm sure you've seen this one a million times, but if you haven't, that's how you do it. Pretty simple. That's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one. Please like and subscribe.